I'm truly sorry, but things have changed. You're not the girl I used to know. It's killing me, and in the depths of my memories, your stories echo from the past. Windows, more things stand up when you're on black past. Sorry, I really am. My final words are on the 888 agent.